First, let's look at setting an alarm in the Russound app. To start, select the Schedule button on the bottom left. Click the plus button on the lower right to create a new alarm. Set the time for the alarm. In this case, I want to wake up at 7 a.m. And choose the days of the week when you want the alarm to go off. I'll choose Monday through Friday. Next, choose the sound for the alarm. You can play music or audio from your list of favorites, but in this case, I'm going to choose a traditional alarm sound. Let's go with the old-timey alarm. There are other options that we can tweak, but I'm just going to leave them as is for now. We'll save the alarm by selecting the check mark in the upper right. And now you can see that our alarm is set for 7 a.m. weekdays. Now let's look at creating a schedule. Click on Schedule in the lower left, just as before, and click the plus sign again. This time, I'm going to scroll down and switch from Alarm to Schedule. Now, let's set when we want the schedule to begin. We'll set it at 9 a.m., and I want this to go into effect on Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. Now, what do we want to listen to? Here, I'm going to choose Favorites, and this will show me a list of all the favorites that I've saved. For this time frame, starting at 9 a.m., I want to play this favorite I've saved for 80s music. Then I can set how long I want it to play. Let's go with 4 hours. So it'll play 80s music starting at 9 a.m. and it'll play for 4 hours. We can set some other options, shuffle mode, repeat, etc. Now let's hit the check mark in the upper right to save it. And now you can see we have a new schedule to run Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays, playing 80s music starting at 9 a.m. Now, you can have multiple alarms and schedules, so let's create another schedule. You'll notice that our schedule icon now shows a little number 1, indicating that we already have one schedule set. Let's click to create another one. Click the plus sign again and set the time. This one I want to start at noon. Select the days you want it to be active. Scroll down, make sure we choose Schedule, and set the duration. Let's go with 6 hours for this one. And then choose our music. This time, I want to hear some funk. Click to save, and now you'll see both of our scheduled events. You can turn any of them on or off as needed.